In a world where ease of use and efficiency are essential, the new cordless Bosch Home Garden Keo Pruner stands out as a revolution in the maintenance of your garden. Imagine a tool that, with one hand, transforms a daunting task into an almost playful activity. This is exactly what the Bosch Home Garden Keo offers with its innovative design and exceptional features. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours now. The cordless Bosch Home Garden Keo is ideal for amateur gardeners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a versatile, easy-to-handle and effective tool for maintaining their garden. Its ease of use and ability to cut through various materials make it a perfect choice for those who want quick and effortless maintenance of their green spaces. At first glance, the Bosch Home Garden Keo captivates with its bright green color, a symbol of nature and freshness. Its ergonomic shape and lightweight of only 1 kg make it extremely comfortable to use even for long gardening sessions. The Bosch brand, known for its reliability and the quality of its products, guarantees an unparalleled user experience. The most striking feature of the Bosch Home Garden Keo is its ability to cut branches up to 20 mm in diameter with minimal effort. Thanks to its Swiss-made precision blade, each cut is clean and precise, providing a professional finish to your work. Swiss blade technology is renowned worldwide for its durability and exceptional sharpness, making the Bosch Home Garden Keo ideal for trimming the toughest branches. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The use of the Bosch Home Garden Keo is made easier by its removable grip support bracket. This innovation allows for gripping branches, making one-handed cutting possible. It is a boon for gardeners who want to keep one hand free for stabilization or to handle other tools. The Keo is also a valuable ally for those who have difficulty using both hands simultaneously. The Keo Pruner is also distinguished by its versatility. Capable of cutting wood, metal, and even plaster, it becomes an essential tool for all your gardening and DIY projects. This versatility is made possible by a variety of interchangeable blades that you can change without tools, thanks to Bosch's SDS system. The performance of the Bosch Home Garden Keo is supported by a powerful and durable 10.8-volt power for all battery, capable of making up to 115 cuts per charge. With a 2.01 power battery, you can work for a long time without worrying about recharging. In addition, this battery is compatible with other Bosch tools, providing you with increased flexibility and convenience. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. In 2001, safety and comfort were not overlooked. Low vibrations and a gradual start ensure better control of the tool and comfort of use, even for beginners. The battery level indicator is a small bonus that makes managing your work easier, allowing you to know exactly when to recharge. Measuring only 7.9 cm in width, 2.8 cm in length, and 15.7 cm in height, the Bosch Home Garden Keo is compact and easy to use. It comes in eco-friendly cardboard packaging, highlighting Bosch's commitment to sustainability and the planet. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Capable of cutting wood, metal, and plaster. Ideal for various gardening and DIY tasks. The second advantage is portability and lightness. Weighing only 1 kg, it makes handling and transport easy. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Designed for one-handed operation thanks to the removable grip support bracket. Advantage number 4, high-quality blade. Equipped with a Swiss precision blade, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Advantage number 5, long-lasting battery. Up to 115 cuts per charge with a 2 amp-hour battery. Advantage number 6, interchangeable battery system compatible with other Bosch 18-volt tools. Advantage number 7, safety and comfort, low vibration and gradual start for better control. Advantage number 8, battery level indicator, allows for easy monitoring of remaining battery life. Advantage number 9, easy blade change, SDS system for changing blades without additional tools. Now let's move on to the first drawback, the limitation on cutting diameter. may not be suitable for cutting branches larger than 20 mm in diameter. Disadvantages include battery dependence. There is a need to recharge or have a spare battery for long working sessions. In conclusion, the cordless Bosch Home Garden Keo Pruner is a revolutionary tool designed to simplify and enhance your gardening work. Its ergonomic design, versatility, and exceptional performance make it a must-have for any amateur or professional gardener. To learn more about the Bosch Home Garden Keo and get the best price, feel free to click on the link in the description and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Your garden will thank you. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.